Hi everyone, welcome back to Code with Venki. Today we'll see a LeetCode question, restaurant growth. Here we have given table customer which contains customer ID, name, visited on, and amount. Here we have a question, so we'll jump into the question. Right, you are the restaurant owner and you want to analyze a problem expansion. There will be at least one customer every day and compute the moving average of how much customer paid in 7 days window, that is current day plus 6 days before, and average amount should be rounded to two decimal places. Return the result table ordered by visited order in ascending order. So basically we have given data like particular dates some customers will visit and purchase something from your restaurant. So we need to find for average amount for 7 days window. So here we have example test case, and this is data sample data given, and we need to find visiting on and amount and that particular average amount for that particular week. If we say it is 7 days, right? So I am using week. So before going to solution, please pause the video and try for your solution. Hope you will get. And I am starting my solution with using temp variable temp table with temp as to avoid multiple duplicate records. One two customers can visit on the same particular day, right? So to avoid, I'm using distinct visited on, comma, we need to find the amount, right, for that particular week. So that's why I'm using some amount, and that should be on over order by. On visiting date we are doing this sum and average, like for particular period, like for 7 days window. That's why I'm using windows function, and we have range here, and where we can mention how many rows you want to select, and you just want to give an interval. We just need to give interval on 6 day, that is preceding. We have preceding and following in this windows function, where preceding means before and following means after the current date. And we need to mention another condition is current row, that is current date, as amount, and we are putting these values in amount row and selecting from customer, right? Where is this customer table order by, as mentioned in question, we are taking order by as visiting date, and I'm using offset here. To use offset we need to mention the limit of the record. So I'm mentioning till 1 lakh. You can take anything greater than the given records. So offset 6, so it will calculate only from the sixth record, that is select from 1 to 6, and it will consider as sixth record, and then it leaves 7, 8, 9, and till 11, and it will consider 6, 12. So I'm applying main logic here. For this we'll see the output table, then we can get to know how many rows we need to retain and what are the, I mean, how many columns we need to return and what are the names of the particular columns. So we are taking visit visited on and then amount, and average should be taken, right? And this average as average amount, and this is round and amount divided by 7, where you can get average for that particular 7 days. And I am taking this from this temp table. So we'll execute and see whether it is working fine or not. Hope it will work fine. I will run for test cases to whether it is working fine or not. As it is working, here is the question and this is the logic. If you have any queries, please do comment. I will reach out to you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.